Which dash cam is actually good for truckers? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Rove R2-4K Dual. First up is the Rove R2-4K Dual Dash Cam, priced at $129.99. This has caught a lot of attention with over 12,900 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating. If you want a dash cam that captures every detail from both the front and rear, this is worth a serious look. The Rove R2-4K Dual offers stunning 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, ensuring you can record everything clearly, even in low light. With a wide 150 degrees viewing angle, you'll get a comprehensive view of the road ahead and behind. The Starvis 2 sensor is a standout feature, providing excellent night vision, meaning you can capture every detail even when it's dark out. Perfect for those long-haul drives. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Imagine being involved in an accident at night. Having clear footage can help protect you against false claims or disputes. Plus, it comes with a free 128 gigabytes micro SD card, so you have ample storage for your recordings right out of the box. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and refer to the user manual, it's definitely manageable. That minor inconvenience is a small price to pay for the peace of mind this camera provides. This is perfect for you if you want high-resolution video and robust night vision. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a more user-friendly setup right out of the box without any learning curve. For the price you pay, it offers great value for a trucker's needs. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a mirror-style setup. Product number 2, Wolfbox G840S. Next up is the Wolfbox G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam. At $139.99, this product has also made waves, boasting a 4.3-star rating from over 14,600 reviews. If you want something that blends into your vehicle while providing top-notch recording, this is definitely worth considering. The upgraded 4K clarity of the front camera paired with a 1080p rear camera means you get detailed footage that's essential for protecting yourself on the road. The 12-inch display significantly enhances visibility, reducing blind spots while driving, something that's crucial for truckers maneuvering large vehicles. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual camera setup allows for a comprehensive view while reversing or changing lanes, helping to minimize potential accidents. Additionally, the built-in GPS tracks your route, speed, and location, providing essential data when needed. Now, some users pointed out that the installation can be complex. Honestly, if you're not comfortable with wiring, it might take some extra time or require professional help. Still, considering the high-quality video and safety features, it's worth it for those who prioritize protection. This is perfect for you if you appreciate advanced features like parking assistance and larger displays. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler setup. It's a solid investment for the safety-conscious trucker. Now, if the complexity of the Wolfbox installation bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 3, 70mi A800 SE. The 70mi A800 SE is our next contender, priced at an affordable $99.99. This dash cam has a 4.5-star rating from 721 reviews, so it's clearly making an impression. If you want high-quality footage without breaking the bank, this is a great option. What I love about the A800 SE is its flexibility. The 4K front camera and adjustable 1080p rear camera can be tailored to capture exactly what you need, whether it's the road ahead or inside the cabin. That's crucial for truckers who need to document everything for safety and insurance purposes. The f1.55 aperture with dual HDR enhances low-light performance, making sure your footage is clear no matter the conditions. Plus, the included 128 gigabytes card, along with 24-hour parking monitoring, means your vehicle is always protected, even when you're not driving. However, some users mentioned that the app connectivity can be glitchy at times. I'll be real with you. While this can be frustrating, it's not a deal breaker since you can still access the footage directly from the camera. This is perfect for you if you want a balance of quality and affordability. Skip this one if you need flawless app performance for accessing your videos. For the price, it's a solid choice for a trucker on a budget. Alright, that's a great option for the budget conscious. But the next one ups the ante with some exciting features. Product number 4, Reddiger F7NP. Now we have the Reddiger F7NP, priced at $109.99. It's received a 4.2-star rating from over 25,400 reviews. If you're looking for a reliable camera that won't let you down, this could be your pick. The F7NP offers an impressive 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera, capturing every detail you need. The Starvis 2 sensor ensures excellent quality at night, meaning you can drive confidently knowing everything is being recorded clearly. This is particularly crucial for truck drivers who are often on the road during odd hours. Additionally, the built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi allows for fast downloads, so you can quickly access your footage when you need it. The loop recording feature guarantees that you won't miss any important moments, as the camera automatically overwrites older files when storage is full. All of this is coupled with a free memory card included in the package. Now, some reviews have pointed out that the night vision can sometimes be less than perfect. Here's the thing though, it's still significantly better than many competitors, and for most situations, it provides excellent clarity. This is perfect for you if you prioritize safety and reliability in a dash cam. Skip this one if you need a top-tier night vision experience. For the cost, it offers great value and performance. Now, if you're interested in even more features, the next product is an exciting option. Product number 5, Reddiger F7N Touch. Finally, we have the Reddiger F7N Touch, which is priced at $139.99. With a 4.4-star rating from 6,400 reviews, it's a strong contender. If you want a dash cam with user-friendly features and solid video quality, this might be the one for you. The F7N Touch captures stunning 4K front and 1080p rear recordings, ensuring you have clear evidence of your drives. The voice control feature is a game changer, allowing you to operate the camera without taking your hands off the wheel. This enhances safety, which is especially important for truckers on the go. With built-in GPS, you can keep track of your routes and speed while having the footage to back it up. The 128 GB card provided gives you plenty of storage, and the automatic locking feature ensures that important clips are never lost. However, some users have mentioned that the touchscreen can be a bit sensitive. Honestly, it takes a little getting used to, but once you adapt, it's pretty convenient. This is perfect for you if you want a touch interface and voice control. Skip this one if you prefer physical buttons for operation. It's a solid investment for the tech-savvy trucker. To sum it up, each of these dash cams has its unique strengths. If you want the best video quality, the Rove R2-4K Dual is unbeatable. The Wolfbox G840S offers great visibility and GPS tracking. The 70mm 800 SE gives you value for money. The Reddiger F7NP is reliable and straightforward, while the F7N Touch adds a modern touch with its voice control. Choose the one that meets your specific needs and drive safely out there. To sum it up, each of these dash cams has its unique strengths. If you want the best video quality, the Rove R2-4K Dual is unbeatable. The Wolfbox G840S offers great visibility and GPS tracking. The 70mm 800 SE gives you value for money. The Reddiger F7NP is reliable and straightforward, while the F7N Touch adds a modern touch with its voice control. Choose the one that meets your specific needs and drive safely out there.